Hi friends, welcome to Kalpana's Kitchen. Today I'll be sharing a healthy vegetarian dish with you known as Jwari Sa Upma. Now what is Jwari? It is nothing but jwar and in English it is known as sorghum. You can see the Jwari in its raw form here. Now I've taken 1 cup and soaked it in water overnight. The next day I washed it again, changed the water and now I will pressure cook it. I added enough water and pressure cooked the jwari. Now let's check if it's right and cooked. Well, the jwari has absorbed all the water and I can see that it is well cooked. The jwari is a staple source of nutrition. It is gluten free. It contains excellent fiber. Now to check if it is cooked, you can just press it between your fingers and well, you know now it is cooked. So now that our jwari is ready, we will see the other ingredients. I've chopped 1 carrot fine. I've taken some green peas, 1 small onion I've chopped, curry leaves and green chili. This is mustard seed, cumin seed. Now in a pan, I will heat 2 tablespoon oil. You can add ghee instead of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, I will add 1 teaspoon mustard seed. I will wait for the mustard seed to splatter. I'll then reduce the flame and add the cumin seeds. Now keep the flame on slow. Here I've added the green chili and the curry leaves and I'll give it a good mix. I will now add half a teaspoon of asafoetida, that is hing. After adding the hing, we will now add the chopped onion. So let's give it a good mix again. Okay, when the onion gets a little transparent, we will add the other vegetables. Here I've added finely chopped carrot, green peas, and mix all the ingredients. They look colorful, right? Now we will add salt as per taste. Again mix the salt with all the vegetables. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon sugar. This is optional. And now finally we add our jwari to the mixed vegetables and give it a good stir. Doesn't this look like our sabudana? But it is far way healthier than sabudana and one must include it in your daily diet. I've just added say half a cup of water so that all our vegetables and the jwari is cooked thoroughly. This jwari is gluten free. It contains excellent fiber. It has antioxidant. It is rich in antioxidant. Controls diabetes. Well, there's so many uh, positive points for you to go ahead and cook this healthy jwari upma. You can garnish this upma with fresh grated coconut and also with coriander leaves, freshly chopped coriander leaves. They add to the taste. It is very filling, hence it helps to control your weight. You can have this for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and I love to have this with curds. You can also serve some fruits along with it. Here I've squeezed a dash of lime to add to the taste just before serving. Well, our jwari sa upma is ready for you. Please do not forget to press the button like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.